Squaring of the numbers explained in two methods. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Method 1. Formula method. From the equation a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A square is equal to a plus b into a minus b plus b square. From this equation, we find the square of number. Take an example. Find the square of 64. Substitute the value of a as 64. Now we have to substitute the value of b, which is such a number that the whole equation becomes easy to solve. Suppose take the value of b as 4. Now substitute the value of a and b in the equation. Now the equation becomes 64 square is equal to 64 plus 4 into 64 minus 4 plus 4 square. By adding, we get 68 into 60 plus 4 square is 16. Multiplying 68 into 60 is difficult. So we can simplify it further. Write 68 as 60 plus 8. First multiply 60 and 60 and then multiply 8 into 60. By multiplying 60 into 60 we get 3600. By multiplying 8 into 60 we get 480 and 16. By adding all the numbers we get the final answer, that is 4096. I know you are thinking that it is an elaborated process, not a quick one. For clear understanding, I am explaining it in step by step. After practicing, you can solve this in 2 steps only. Now take another example. Find the square of 109. Substitute the value of a as 109 and b as 9 directly into the equation. 109 square is equal to 109 plus 9 into 109 minus 9 plus 9 square. Then we get 118 into 100 plus 81. By solving this equation, we get the final answer as 11,881. Second method, crisscross method. In the first step, multiply 2 into 2, we get 4. In the next step, cross multiply 2 into 3 and 2 into 3 and then add. We get 12. 1 is carryover and write down the 2 in the answer. In the final step, multiply 3 into 3, we get 9. By adding carryover, we get 10. So the final answer is 1024. Thank you for watching.